Introducing Easyflex No Hub Couplings. Welcome back. I'm Frank with Easyflex, and in today's video I'm going to introduce you to our full lineup of no hub couplings. No hub couplings are used to connect cast iron soil pipes that do not have a hub and spigot and are generally used in sewer and drain systems. All of our no hub couplings are made from the highest quality stainless steel, including the clamp, housing, and shield. For the NSF certified and super shielded no hub couplings, 304 grade stainless steel components are used. The rubber gaskets are made from high quality synthetic rubber called neoprene, ensuring more flexibility, resistance to fire, and a longer lifespan. In addition, all our no hub couplings meet and exceed the standards set by both CIS PI 310 and ASTM C1277. Here are different types of Easyflex no hub couplings: standard, reducing, heavy duty, NSF rated, and super shielded. Each of our no hub coupling styles are available in multiple types and sizes. This is our standard no hub coupling, and it is available in diameters ranging from 1.5 inches to 15 inches. The 1.5, 2, 3, and 4 inch models have 2 bands, and the 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 15 inch models have 4 bands. Next are reducing no hub couplings. These are available in 4 different diameters: 2 inch by 1.5 inch, 3 inch by 2 inch, 4 inch by 2 inch, and finally 4 inch by 3 inch. All our reducing no hub couplings come with 2 bands. And this is our heavy duty no hub coupling, and it is equipped with additional bands to ensure a better and stronger seal. This is available in diameters ranging from 2 inches all the way up to 10 inches. The 2, 3, and 4 inch models have 4 bands, and the 5, 6, 8, and 10 inch models have 6 bands. Our next series of no hub couplings is the NSF model. These are manufactured to meet NSF requirements and are available from the 1.5 inch all the way to the 10 inch. The 1.5, 2, 3, and 4 inch models have 2 bands, and the 5, 6, 8, and 10 inch models have 4 bands. Finally, for the most demanding applications, the super shielded no hub couplings are the ideal choice. These couplings are equipped with 3/8 inch hex screws and rated for 80 pounds of torque for maximum performance. They are available in diameters ranging from 2 inches to 10 inches. The 2, 3, and 4 inch models have 4 bands, while the 5, 6, 8, and 10 inch models have 6 bands. Thank you for watching our video on our full lineup of no hub couplings. A link to each item can be found in the video description below, and if you still have questions, our support line is open during business hours. And for more Easyflex videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.